Are you ready to learn how to make money fast by creating profitable and trendy news sites? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of online news, where innovation meets profitability. Now, you might be wondering, how can I turn a trendy news site into a lucrative business? It's simpler than you think. The first step is to identify trending topics and breaking news stories that captivate your audience's attention. From entertainment gossip to tech updates, the possibilities are endless. Next, it's time to create your news site. Choose a user-friendly platform that allows you to customize your layout and design effortlessly. Remember, the visual appeal is key to attracting and retaining visitors. Once your site is up and running, focus on producing high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's engaging articles, captivating videos, or interactive quizzes, strive to deliver valuable and shareable content that keeps users coming back for more. Now, let's talk about monetization strategies. One popular method is through advertising revenue. By partnering with ad networks or directly selling ad space on your site, you can earn money based on the number of impressions or clicks your ads receive. That wraps up our quick guide on how to make money fast by creating profitable trendy news sites. For a more in-depth look at each step, be sure to click the link in the description below to watch our detailed video guide.